Welcome to ByteFurther. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix a frozen iPhone 12. When you buy an iPhone 12, you might marvel at how the server runs and how the screen responds to your touch or tap. But eventually, the day may come when your iPhone 12 is frozen and you can't do anything. And when that happens, you might be chatting on Facebook but it randomly becomes unresponsive. It doesn't respond to touch, button press, swipe or tap. Sometimes, you might get an iPhone 12 frozen on verifying update. Yes, it's a tough issue as it's likely that iPhone 12 freezes on Apple logo or black screen during the update. So, what can you do about it? Many people may try to turn off iPhone 12 but can't power it off as they find it not working to slide to power off. Finally, they have to wait for the iPhone 12 to drain the battery to 0% and let it shut off by itself automatically to unfreeze the screen. But there are more ways to fix frozen iPhone 12 that won't turn off without wasting too much time. Alright. First, see what causes your iPhone 12 to be frozen and unresponsive. There is a lot of accumulated unused system cache. Your iPhone 12 battery is running out of juice and needs to be charged. The storage memory is almost full on your iPhone 12. You recently downloaded a faulty app. It interferes with your device to run properly and leads to freezing and unresponsive issues. iPhone 12 is running an out-of-date iOS software version. The screen is broken, cracked, or water damaged. Once you have a good idea of why the device freezes and won't shut off, there are a few things you can do about it. The steps here will guide you on how to fix frozen screen on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and iPhone 12 mini. We'll show you how to do it in the following. The first step is to force restart your iPhone 12. You might have tried this method, but feel free to try it again. Here are the instructions for how to force restart iPhone 12 when it freezes and won't restart. Quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Then press the side button and hold it for a while. Maybe 10 to 20 seconds. iPhone 12 should unfreeze, show a power off slide, shut off showing a black screen, and then pop up Apple logo. It means that it's booting up. Wait for your device to go past the Apple logo and power on. You won't lose data to try this solution. See it? The lock screen appears. Hope your iPhone 12 is not frozen anymore. Unlock your iPhone 12 and use it as normal. The second step is to charge your iPhone 12. If your iPhone 12 still freezes on lock screen after force restart, charge the device. Connect your iPhone 12 to a USB cable. Plug the cable into a charger or a power adapter and connect it to a wall power outlet firmly. Place your device on a flat desk and start charging it. It's suggested to do a 30-minute charging to ensure that your iPhone 12 has enough juice to run. After 30 minutes, force restart your iPhone 12 and see if it unfreezes. The third step is to spare more storage space. This is a step you can do when you can still tap the screen and open apps. If not, just move to the fifth step to fix a frozen iPhone 12 screen. For many people, the best plan to get more iPhone storage is to start with deleting unused photos and videos, and then move on to removing downloads and apps. Clearing the cache in all your apps is also a feasible option. The fourth step is to remove faulty apps. This is another step you can do when the screen is also responding to touch. Find the apps you think that render a frozen iPhone 12 that won't turn off. Then, remove it by long pressing the app icon. Then, tap Remove App, tap Delete App, tap Delete, and it'll be cleared away. The fifth step is to update your iPhone 12. Get a Windows computer or a Mac computer. Download iTunes or Finder and launch it from your desktop first. Then, take a USB cable to plug your iPhone 12 into the computer and put the phone into recovery mode to fix iPhone 12 freezing problems. This feature is safe and owned by Apple itself. Feel free to follow the steps below and you won't lose anything. Then, quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Then press the side button and hold it for a while. Keep holding even when you see the Apple logo screen. Now, release the button when you see the recovery mode screen, a cable pointing to a computer. Go to your computer screen, iTunes or Finder quickly will detect your device and prompt you to update or restore your device. Go with the update options and complete the steps left. Once done, your iPhone 12 should turn on without a frozen screen. The sixth step is to reset your iPhone 12. Note that this step aims to delete everything on your iPhone and return it to its original status. If you don't want to do that, you can go to an Apple repair store near you and ask for help from the expert there. It's not a small expense, as the genius guys there might unfreeze frozen iPhone 12 screen that won't turn off without wiping clean your phone. If you're tight on budget or you later decide to factory reset the device, follow these steps. Plug your iPhone 12 into a computer and open iTunes or Finder. Then, quickly press the volume up button, then release. Quickly press the volume down button, then release. Then press the side button and hold it for a while. Keep holding even when you see the Apple logo screen. Now, release the button when you see the recovery mode screen, a cable pointing to a computer. Go to your computer screen, iTunes or Finder quickly will detect your device and prompt you to update or restore your device. Choose Restore and complete the steps left. Normally, if the software is at fault, iPhone 12 keeps freezing issue should be fixed. That's all how to fix that iPhone 12 is frozen and won't turn off. Hope this video can help unfreeze your iPhone 12 and let you use it as normal. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the ByteFurther channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.